Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Xxxtentacion drum kit called Moonlight, straight from Believers Records. I hope I hope that I did pronounce that name right, Xxxtentacion. If I didn't, I hope someone will actually correct me for that. So yeah, man. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started with this. So there's a lot of sounds in here. There's 808s, there's claps, there's hi-hats, there's kicks, there's midis, there's one-shot guitar, there's percussion, and there's snares. You know, everything that you need to get you started in making that Xxxtentacion type beat and actually make it hot. You know, Believers Records, man, you know we always got you 24/7 as far as high quality and amazing sounds is concerned.
Okay.
So yeah, man. So before we actually proceed, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up with my number that's all up on the screen, or maybe you can send me an email and we can actually talk. Or maybe if you guys just want to talk about music and all that stuff, just ask me some questions or anything. Or maybe in general, if you guys just have any questions about any other stuff that I've been serving you, you can go ahead and just hit me up, bro, and we'll actually talk. Yeah, so let's proceed. So I'm gonna start you off first with the midis as always, then we'll go back to the drums in that order. So let's get started with that. So for demonstration purposes, I'm using Contact. I'm using this radio, it's called Radio R&B by Contact. It's actually good. So I'll be using it to demonstrate the midis. So let's go ahead and get started with that. The first MIDI, 120 BPM. So yeah. Let's go ahead and put this on a high octave. All right. That's the first MIDI. Second MIDI. Let's go ahead and try this on a high octave and just hear how it sounds. Yeah, so there's a second MIDI, third MIDI. All right, let's go ahead and jump to the last MIDI. So let's try and play this on a high octave. On a high octave, sorry. Sorry, let's change this to 100. So yeah, man, that's it for the MIDI. So let's go ahead and move to the drum, sorry. So the 808. claps. Hi-hats. Alright, kicks. One shot. Snares. Yeah, man, that's it. That's it for the sauce, man. That's it for the whole package. It's a complete package. It's everything that you need in making that crazy Xxxtentacion type beat and actually, and actually make it crazy and make it hot. And everything has actually been nicely processed. All you gotta do is just drag and drop, unless you feel like you actually want to go further. It all goes back to you and depends on what you actually want in the end. Sorry, in the end product. So yeah, so that's it, man. That's it for the whole thing. Go ahead and make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe. I'm gonna see you on the next one.